Well, here we go. Holiday starts here. Bags are packed. Literally about 10 minutes ago. About to jump in the car and go. So, let's go on holiday. Here we are, I think. This is us. Whoops. Tunisia Air. That's the bags all gone. Now let's go find some food. Well, we got through security. Didn't get searched. Bonus. We've got a bit of time to kill. Look at all these clothes shops. That's all it seems to be. I just want some food. Well, we could have a liquid lunch, I guess. Liquid dinner. There we go, some nice ravioli. A Coca-Cola. Well, we've had dinner. We've still got 10 minutes to find out what gate we're at. Pretty boring, but it's alright. We'll be in the air within half an hour. Well, it's time to get to the gate. Let's go there. So we're going to the plane now. Well, we're here now. We can find some bags. Right, here we are, we're all checked in. I was going to film outside the airport, but someone sort of grabbed me and threw me into a taxi. So we've got... It's pretty slick. Bed for 3. A little flower. We've got some little slippers. Sofa. Table with all sorts of stuff on it. TV comes on automatically when you walk in the room. That's going to spook me, but that's alright. We've got a palatial bathroom. Enormous. Toilet. Ah, and this is my wardrobe, I guess. And my safe for hiding all my coins in. And then let's have a look at the balcony then. You can't really see much because it's quite late. It's about 9 o'clock. It is very, very warm. Pool. And I think off that way is the beach, just past those trees. But it's so nice and warm. It's not too hot. It's a bit muggy. But there we go. Ah, and there's me. We'll do this. There we go. So, it's going good so far. I got bundled into a taxi. I'll tell you more about that tomorrow. It's a bit late. I think I'm going to have a shower and get to bed. Well, good morning. I'm a little bit tired. I've just woken up. And it's the wrong side of my first cup of coffee. Not feeling human yet, but I'm excited to go look at the view. I'll show you guys it as well. So, let's get up. I'm gonna go get breakfast soon as well. Oh, it's bright. Oh, it's bright. Oh, I like this, didn't I? There we go. Oh, it's warm as well. It's so bright I can't even see the screen of my phone. Okay, stunning. Wow, only a coffee and a shower, I think. Well, we're back out on the balcony. We'll have a look at the coins that I got from the airport. So we got... Oh dear, I can't really see, can we? I think this is 100 milliamps. Pretty neat. We've got a 200 milliamps. This one's really neat. It's upside down. Like a tree. This is 2 dinars. And then lastly, look at this one. Which is a sign I recognise from the World Coin Hunts. Pretty neat. Well, I read online that the restaurant might be a bit smart, so I had to buy some long sleeve shirts. So there we go. Just in case. Hopefully it's not going to be, so I don't have to do this every day. Well, should we go for a little wander? I think we're up in this corner here. One of those rooms. Just had breakfast. Really nice. Have a look. Down by the pool. Nice and relaxing. I think we'll come back here in a bit. I'm trying to find the beach. I think it might be this way though. It is so warm and it's only 10:30 in the morning. I dread to think how it's going to get at midday, but it's nice and tranquil. I'm enjoying myself. Still looking for the beach though. Well, I think we found it. Just down here, I reckon. Well, here we go. Some camels there and horses. I think we'll come back here in a bit. Chill out in the sun. Well, we're getting back now. Now I'm going to see if I can remember how to get back to the room, because I don't have a clue. I managed to find my way back. Have a look at this though. These little domes. Pretty neat, aren't they? Reminiscent sort of Star Wars sets. Pretty cool. Well, I managed to find my way back, which is a relief. But I think we're going to head out to the beach in a bit, although I'm going to give it 5 minutes. Just I had about a 25-minute wander on the hotel, and holy moly in my heart, it is boiling out there. It's very, very nice. Right, just getting ready to go to the beach. Factor 50, because I didn't do anything stronger in the shop when I went, and I burned far too easily. So, should we get down to the beach then? Well, we're all slathered up. Time to plug in and listen to my ebook, I reckon. Well, we've been chilling out by the ocean for a few hours now. I think it's time to go for a little swim. I've been for a dip. It's quite chilly, not gonna lie. He said it'd be nice and warm in the water, which it wasn't really, but it was refreshing. And I think it's getting a bit windy now, so I think I'm gonna head back to the hotel room for a bit. So, let's get a move on. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening now, about to go have some dinner. I film in that room, but I can't remember how to turn the lights on. I've got these light switches here. That's a bathroom light. That's not a light. This switch here turns this light off. And I can't remember how to turn the other lights on. I'm going for lunch, for dinner even. There's another scorching day. Although I think today I'm going to go exploring a bit outside the hotel. Maybe go to the beach this afternoon. Because I'm not having much luck finding any coins. Because everything I want to buy in the hotel they keep charging to the room. But, oh well. Dinner was a bit of a disaster yesterday. I ordered shrimps and lemon rice. And they came with all their heads, their legs, their eyes, their antennas attached. But I went for it. It was alright. It was really nice actually. Thoroughly enjoyed it. And there was some sort of mystery paste that came with the bread, some salty, spicy red paste, which I thought at first the best case scenario would be like a tomato sauce Worst case scenario would be some raw meat, and I don't know what it was. And then the little croutons with this funny salty black sauce, which might have been blended up anchovies, which is alright. If I had a choice between that and Wotsits, I'd pick Wotsits, but there we go. But we're going to get some sun cream on. I'm going to go to the local shops. Before I leave, some good news. Found the light switch for the room. Oh no, that's not the light switch for the room, it's the balcony. It's here. So, bonus, I don't have to stay in the darkness now. But yeah, that's the front of the hotel. The fountain. That's the exit. Let's go. Well, call me a dum-dum. Just walked 20 minutes the wrong way. My Google Maps is not playing ball with me, so let's have a go 20 minutes back this way to the shops. Bearing in mind this is like the end of their summer, I am so hot from being out in the sun. I couldn't imagine being out about in the height of summer. But we can't be far from the shops now. Got a feeling that that's my hotel. So we're getting close back to the starting point. So it must be what, 10-20 minutes to go? Well, we made it to the shops. Oh, to be in the air conditioning again is nice. Need to find some food though. Well, it's been a nice little afternoon now. I got myself a meal that didn't have any eyes or legs or antenna, which is a bonus. And I managed to get some coins. So we'll have a look at them when we get back to the hotel room. But I just want to show you. So this is the road that leads down to the hotel. I think you can see the buildings just up to the right there. That's where the shopping centre is. And that's the way I walked for 20 minutes, the wrong way. But it's all exercise, isn't it? So let's get back to the hotel and hunt through these coins. Right, so lighting out on the balcony wasn't so great, so I think we'll have a look at these inside. I think we've got this one before. 2 dirhams? Dinars? Dinars, I think. Bigger one here. 200 millimeters. Slightly smaller, 50 millimeters. These look the same. I think we've actually found these in the World Coin Hunts before as well, which is quite neat. 1 dirhams? Dinars? I think it's dinars, isn't it? I should know, I'm on holiday here. Ah, they're both the same year. You got that. We've got... is that half? Yeah. Which is pretty cool. And then... oh no, I think that was just in my pocket when I flew over. There we go. Got a little bit of change. They don't like giving out change though. Goodness gracious, do they not? They just want to deal with everything in notes. But we managed to get a few. Another day in the sun. Lovely. Ow! Well, it's in great luck with coins today. The shops. We got a whole bunch of these. Where have they all gone? There they are. Pretty cool. The different years as well. So it's a 1997. 2013. What's that? That's another 2013. In 2007. So they're pretty cool. What denomination were they again? 1 dinar. Got 50 millimeters, whatever, how you pronounce that. 2009. Good colouring as well, isn't it? 2011. 100 millimeters. And then this one, a 1990. Oh, that's the same one as the other ones, but it's a bit older. Quite worn down, but it's a stunning design. There we go. So, last full day here. I'm looking a bit overcast. So hopefully it gets nicer later, but I was going to go off to the beach. I might just go down and see how warm it is down there. It is still quite mild, to be fair, in the sun, but oh well. I think it's a bit too windy. I just keep getting pelted in the face with sand. We'll go back inside for a bit. Oh, just had some lunch. Hopefully the weather would die down a little bit. It's still very, very windy though. And I've got a killer headache brewing. I can't seem to find any paracetamol anywhere, so cross some fingers, hopefully that's from the hotel. I did also get a new coin, which I'm excited to show you. Well, I couldn't find any paracetamol at the shop, but the person at the desk did give me this. It's just quite ominous. In an envelope wrapped up in tissue paper. These enormous tablets. I don't know what to do with them. Surely, maybe they're dissolvable. Well, I'll have a go at that. But I've also got a few more coins to show you. We got more of these 1 dinars. What years have we got? 2013. 2013. 97. Another half dinar. 2007. And the new one is this one here, 2002. 5 dinars. Which is pretty cool. It's a neat sort of shape. There we go, I can add that to my hoard. This stuff tastes horrible. I remember having to drink dissolvable paracetamol as a kid, so let's put some soda in it, see. That's more bearable. This stuff's actually quite nice. Punch citron. This is a little bit like Mountain Dew. Ugh, it's still grim. So one of the people on Discord did set me a challenge to find a fez. Said if I came home without a fez, if you saw a video that didn't include wearing a fez, or if the next live stream I wasn't wearing a fez, he'd be disappointed. Well, there's no need to be disappointed, because I've got a fez. Ugh, get this thing out of my face. What time do you put that on? I don't know. So how's that? Just like that? Just like that? Who knows? Just like that? Or just like that? Mission accomplished. Well, the end is near. I've just packed up. My taxi will be here in 20 minutes to pick me up to take me to the airport. But I had a wonderful time. I can't believe it's flown so far. Flown by so fast. But looking forward to getting home. But it'd be nice to stay a bit longer. Maybe next time. It's taken almost 2 hours to get here. I'll tell you more in a bit when I've got some time. I've got to find my gate now. That could be the plane. Who knows? Wow, it feels good to sit down. Queuing after queuing after queuing. Unbelievable. Queuing to get to the airport, queuing to get currency, queuing to check in, queuing at security, queuing at the gate. I think we're done queuing until we get baggage. But that's right, I'm going to flick onto my audiobook and then we'll be home soon. Back in the UK now. It's a lot colder though. I've got my jacket on. Right, time to find some bags. There we go, back at home now. I had a fantastic holiday, picked up some really awesome coins as well, which I'll be sure to go through on my next world coin hunt. So all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye!